Yeah, it was good with YouTube. Back again with another video. Yeah, as y'all can see, racing the MK Golf, the Volkswagen MK Golf, MK2. Alright, here we go. Just give it a little burnout. You know, I do a little burnout. I'm saying, gotta give it that right quick. I'm saying. Alright. Oh yeah, alright, let's go. As y'all can see, y'all know spam drift mode, front rear drive, you know what I'm saying? I mean, y'all don't gotta do this, but you know. You know what I'm saying? 6 seconds. 6:42. I mean, you can go faster. You can go 5 seconds too. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, it is what it is. You get what you get. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, as y'all can see, with the speed bug, 6 seconds. I think the regular, when you do a regular, I think it's like 7 seconds. Or like close. Yeah, I think it's like 7 seconds close to, you know what I'm saying? 6 seconds, but you know. But yeah. Alright, nobody wanna race. Alright, come on. I'm gonna show y'all the gearbox, the COG, you know what I'm saying? Alright, here go the engine. I got the W16, you know what I'm saying? By all this you see right here. Alright, here go the gearbox. Alright. There y'all go. And we got the COG. Here y'all go, man. And there y'all go, bro.